It was hot as fuck today. But now shit get a little bit better. So it's a more like cool right now. So trying to see what we gonna do. I got everything in the car. I got all the fishing stuff in the car right now. So I just need to find a good fishing spot. So I looked up on some fishing spot in New Jersey. So if I find a good spot when I get there to the spot I'm going, if I find a good little spot, then we should get some good fish. You know what I'm saying? So let's see. Let's see how it is. Let's hope for the best. And guys, please like, share, subscribe to my channel. If you watch my shit, I appreciate it. You know what I'm saying? So you know how shit is. So let's go. See you guys later. Peace. Alright guys, I'm on my way now. So you guys know what the deal is. I'm gonna catch you guys down there. Be safe. And y'all guys know what to do, man. Let's go. Let's get this shit, man. Yeah, what's up, guys? So the GPS tell me it's gonna take 30 minutes for me to get there. 36 minutes. And I was in a traffic, guys, because I drove through South Orange to go to my destination. So it's mad cars over there. It's mad cars at the stop sign. So me just at the stoplight, me just drive across them blood clot. Come here, say yo, bad man wanna go fishing, and I got a warning on my phone saying it's gonna be a thunderstorm. So guys, me just hope and pray no thunderstorm no come, and we can have a good time fishing, you know. Hopefully we could catch something today, because last video I didn't get to catch anything, and then I wasn't there for a very long time. So hopefully we can catch something over this, you know, the Carteret. So far as I can see, guys, I see they have a nice pier. So, and it's all the way out in the water. So let's see what goes on. Let's see if we could catch something. I would be happy I catch something. You know, that would be one for the books. Hopefully we catch something big. Yeah, hopefully we catch something big, guys. But for right now, we just go on drive there. Say I got like 20 something minutes. So guys, just stay tuned. I'm gonna keep you guys updated and make you know what I'm going. See me, guys, I can't really show you guys where me I drive, because them cops, they don't play, and I don't want to get a ticket. Alright guys, so I'll see you when I get there. Peace and love. So guys, I'm out here, just reached here. I see people leaving because I guess it's gonna rain now. So well, let's see how this shit goes. I gotta set up my line. Let's see. You can see the rain though. See how the rain look. Hopefully it doesn't rain, you know what I'm saying? And we could just have a little bit of fun out here. Shit's nice. It's a vibe out here. It's a vibe out here. So let me see. So it look like it's a vibe out here. It's a nice pier. First time out here. Shit's nice out here, guys. Seems like a vibe. People out here, people having fun, people catching fish. Yeah, it's my first time. People even jet skiing out here. This shit is tough. Wish I had a jet ski, but I will one day. That's the aim. Could jet ski out here one day, catch some fish. You see me? Oh, they got mad boats out here. They got mad boats out here, guys. It's gonna be cool though. Oh, look at the boat, guys. What type of boat that? Thought it was like a sea guard. Look at that. What a nice man. It's a nice pier. It's a vibe out here, guys. It's mad boats. People enjoying the vibe. Only thing, you gotta walk on this rail. You don't wanna fall stuff. 'Cause if you things drop, and now I get to. But down here, nice. This is Carteret. This is Carteret. You could take 95 on the turnpike. Come down here. It's nice out here. Here, nice. Ah, cool wind blowing. You know. Hopefully I can get some. Yeah, guys. We'll see you in the next video. guys. So I just set up my shit. Let's see what we gonna catch. Got some bloodworms. Got some bloodworms here. Let's see what we gonna do today. Shit seems like it's gonna rain, but I don't even give a fuck. Let's see. It's nice over here though. It's a vibe. It's a vibe over here. It's cool. See if we catch some worm. Catch some fish. No, they got some striped bass over here, but let's see. Ah, damn, worm on this bitch. Let's see what we gonna catch. It's windy. It's windy as fuck. Yeah, that wind is strong. Wind is too strong. Wind is very strong down here. So guys, the storm coming in. The storm is coming in. So we have to go. Couldn't get to catch anything right now, but we'll definitely come back. You see?